On January 20th, 2026, a truck accident occurred on Southeast 20th Street in Kingman County, Kansas, involving Margaret and Marvin Thompson. Authorities say the crash happened shortly after 5:30 p.m. near the intersection with Southeast 110th Avenue. Margaret, age 68, and Marvin, age 72, were traveling west in a Chevrolet Malibu when the vehicle veered into the eastbound lane for reasons that are still unknown. Both the Malibu and an oncoming international 18-wheeler tried to avoid each other, but ended up in the westbound lane, resulting in a head-on collision. Margaret and Marvin Thompson did not survive. The investigation is ongoing.